Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check most recently watched reels on Instagram. Open your Instagram, click on Reels,
में पूछ रहे
scroll
हैं
down and watch all the reels, your favorite reels, okay? Then go back to your home page. Okay, now if you click again on Reels, you can only watch the most recent reels which are you are watching just a few minutes ago. If you want to watch the reels you already watched after before a month ago or a week later, there is no way to rewatch these reels. Okay, you can only watch the recent reels. If you close Instagram, the all the reels are missing. So this is the only way. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.